It's time for frittata. Haven't had a frittata in a while. Whoops. Don't ever turn it upside down. You may think that's a lot, but I plan on flipping my frittata. That's what I do, because I don't ever see it, ever see other chefs do it. So, on my channel, we flip frittatas. And I gotta tell you, it's not easy, but when you have your frozen broccoli rabe, you don't want to touch it, it sticks to your hands. Vigorously apply broccoli rabe to the bottom of the pan. Notice I switch angles. You can move the pan, but I didn't go that route. Looks good. We got a nice base. Ooh. I gotta do broccoli rabe and shrimp. Mix it around a little. Pause for the cause. We need some eggs. Alright, I cracked my eggs. And this is the technique that I use to embed the egg into the broccoli rabe. Just push down. It's already been lubricated. We're missing a little egg over here. Want to make sure egg is everywhere. Alright, I gotta wash my hands. Quick pause. Alright, I have a little Parmesan Romano. I was deciding when to. Gotta cheese it up. This would be Dr. Oz's favorite omelet. Why? Broccoli rabe, I think, is the most bitter vegetable out there. More bitter than bitter melon. Don't know if he's Jewish or Muslim, but notice me forcing the ham into the egg. Oops. Houston, we have a problem. Things are hitting the table. Another piece here, one over here. We'll clean the table while we're cooking it. I have no more ham. Would have loved to do this with some shrimps. Alright, I think we could get a little bit more meals out of that. Some of these I didn't break up. Too much care, right? Alright, once again, after we're done, that looks good. Give it a little pat. Notice some of the cheese is around the edge. Now I gotta clean the table again. And that goes on the stove. Put the lid on. Where's my lid? Alright. Next time you see this, it's time to flip it.